Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an air hockey table. First, gather your materials. You'll need a smooth plywood sheet about 4 by 8 feet for the playing surface. Also, get some 2 by 4 lumber for the frame and legs. Don't forget a small, powerful air blower or shop vacuum and some PVC pipes with caps for the air system. Let's get started. Next, let's build the table's foundation. Construct a sturdy rectangular frame using your 2 by 4 lumber. Once the frame is complete, securely attach the plywood playing surface to the top. It's crucial to ensure this surface is perfectly level for the best gameplay experience. Adding some cross-bracing to the frame will provide extra stability, making your table robust and ready for action. Now for the magic, the airflow system. Carefully drill numerous small, evenly spaced holes across the entire playing surface. Underneath, create a manifold system using your PVC pipes to distribute air uniformly. Connect your air blower or shop vacuum to this PVC manifold. Make sure to seal all connections tightly to prevent any air leaks, ensuring maximum pressure and a smooth, fast-paced game. Finally, let's add the finishing touches. Securely attach the table legs to the frame, ensuring it's stable. Then, add side rails and goal slots to complete the authentic air hockey experience. Give the playing surface a good sanding and apply a durable finish for smooth puck movement. Test the airflow to confirm it's working perfectly, and then you're ready to enjoy countless hours of fun on your very own homemade air hockey table.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.